Hi, this is Rajiv here and welcome to my channel Jobs in Goa. Mubarak restaurant at Panjim is looking for Chinese chef and all-rounder cooks. Call on the employer's direct number for details. This video is sponsored by John's Boat Tours. They are located at Kandolim, Goa. If you are looking for a specific job in Goa, then send in your CV to the above WhatsApp number, or you can even fill the format we have given you ahead and send it across. This is the format of our CV. Remove a print of it. Fill in the details as shown above and WhatsApp it on 9209 464 459. If there is any urgent openings in Goa, we will definitely call you. Subscribe to my channel because YouTube may show you my video thumbnails 10 or 15 times. But if you don't subscribe, they will stop showing you my thumbnails, as YouTube assumes you are not interested in my channel. So in future, when you are in need to view my channel, you will not find the link.